There are a lot of rumors in the city that ultimately one way or the other, sooner or later, he's gonna drop out from the race. Is it?
Curtis?
Yeah, there are
No way.
people. Your opponents claim so.
No way. I'm going to tell you right now, Curtis Sliwa is not going to drop out. There's no way. That's
अस्सलाम मैं इस वक्त क्वींस के इलाके बेलरोज में हूँ मेरे पीछे जो आप देख रहे हैं ये रिपब्लिकन मेयर के कैंडिडेट कर्टिस सिल्वा के एक ऑफिस की यहाँ पर अभी ओपनिंग हुई है और मेरे साथ मिस्टर फिलिप मैकमेनस मौजूद हैं जो कि कर्टिस सिल्वा की कैंपेन में क्वींस के बोरो में एक अहम रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं। सो आज हम इनसे बात करेंगे कि ये कर्टिस सिल्वा की कैंपेन अभी तक कैसे जा रही। मिस्टर फिलिप, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग विद।
sure.
Thank you.
What can I do?
So, can you tell us what happened here just now?
Well, Curtis Sliwa had his another headquarters opening, grand opening here in Belrose. The group that really supports Curtis and the Republican Party is Queens Village Republican Club. And most of the people that are here are affiliated from Queens Village Republican Club.
All right. So, what do you think about November 4th election? How do you see?
Well, I can tell you right now, I believe that Curtis Sliwa is, first of all, going to win. And he's going to win because the Democrats are going to split the vote. Cuomo and Mandani, the people are going to vote either way for them. And if the Republicans and the moderates vote for Sliwa, he's going to win.
So, you're very close to Mr. Silva.
I do.
And there are a lot of rumors in the city that ultimately one way or the other, sooner or later, he's gonna drop out from the race. Is it?
Curtis?
Yeah, there are
No way.
people. Your opponents claim so.
No way. I'm going to tell you right now, Curtis Sliwa is not going to drop out. There's no way. That's not even on his mind at all. Except when people ask questions, it's like there's no way. Every time I've seen him and talked to him, he's in it for the win.
All right. And Mr. McManus, then another theory is they said Curtis has 15%
Right.
in the race. Governor Cuomo is 33% and Mamdani is 43%. So Curtis, no way he's going to win because either Cuomo or Mamdani is going to win. So how do you respond to this?
It's very simple. I don't believe the polls. I don't believe the fake media, and I certainly don't believe the fake polls. If you look at Trump, if you look at even Cuomo in the primary, he was supposed to win. The polls said that Cuomo was going to win. Well, you don't believe the polls. What you do is you believe the people. And that's what it's all about. The people standing out here, they get their lawn signs, they get the literature, and they give it out to their family and friends. I will say that our tactic is pray, volunteer, donate, vote early with all your family, friends, and neighbors, and we're going to win.
So, and another thing is people are also saying President Trump is not fully supporting or fully pushing Republican voters or base to support and vote for Curtis Sliwa.
It's a double edge. It's a double edge. If Trump supports Sliwa, Sliwa's going to lose some of the votes because of the anti-Trump support or anti-support. If he doesn't, then some people will say, well, how come President Trump doesn't endorse him? It really is, the president is busy nationally and globally. And all we want to do is win this city election so that we can also win the governor's seat next year.
Thank you so much. And Mr. McMahon, what do you mean by governor's seat?
Next year, 26. It's a big year. We got the Assembly, we got the Senate, New York State Senate, and we got the governor's seat next year.
So do you see?
If Sliwa wins this year, it's going to be much easier for the Republicans to win next year.
And do you see any who will be run?
Stefanik, Elise, I think it's Elise Stefanik is very popular right now.
For the governor?
But yes. But I do believe that it's up to the people to decide ultimately. And it's too soon to tell, but we're going to win. When we win the city, we're going to win the Albany. We're going to win Albany.
And Mr. McManus, you know, our South Asian and immigrant community is growing rapidly in New York City. So if Mr.
They're a good community, they're family, they're hard workers, and they're patriotic. And they're law-abiding people, and we welcome all of those characters. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Characteristics.
And if Mr. Curtis Silva wins the election, what does it would mean to these communities?
It's all about law and order. It is no more corruption. You have an honest mayor who's going to get in there and he's going to do the right thing, not the wrong thing. He's going to eliminate the corruption or reduce it. He's going to address the corruption. The previous administration, you had de Blasio. They spent $1 billion on mental illness, and nobody knows where that money is. It's that kind of stuff that we have to address. And he's also, the affordability, there's two things, law and order, crime, and you have affordability. We have to reduce the budget. It was under Bloomberg and actually de Blasio where the budget went, I don't know, maybe 20, 30%, maybe even more. I know it used to be in the 80 billion. Now it's 120 billion?
18 billion.
18, close to 120. Anytime you think about it, what is the number one problem with affordability? It's our taxes and our fines and our regulations, and it's overkill. I mean, I'll give you an example of this. Regulating the bike lanes, the bus lanes, the cameras, all of that stuff. You could eliminate a lot of your lost time. The more that you have to get to work, the longer it takes, that's money that you're losing. If we can increase, the capacity, we literally took away capacity. Instead of 3 lanes on a roadway, it's 2 lanes, and it's a bike lane which is empty. Now, I love bikes. I ride a bike all the time, but I don't need a bike lane. I do not need a bike lane. The other thing is too, our roads are falling apart. The government needs to go back to the basics, protect our constitutional rights, and also serve the people where our roadways are open for business and for pleasure, for school, for all kinds of, you want to be able to get from point A to point B fast. And
Thank you very much, Mr. McManus. Very nice to be with you.
you, sir.
Thank you. So, हम बात कर रहे थे रिपब्लिकन कैंडिडेट फॉर मेयर न्यूयॉर्क कर्टिस सिल्वा के एक करीबी साथी के साथ. अभी उससे पहले हमने जोरान ममदानी, फिर एंड्रू कोमो और अब कर्टिस सिल्वा, इनकी कैंपेन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आपके सामने रखे. नवंबर 4 को इलेक्शन होने जा रहे हैं. अक्टूबर 25 को अर्ली वोटिंग स्टार्ट हो रही है और नवंबर 2 तक अर्ली वोटिंग रहेगी. सो प्लीज गो एंड वोट. थैंक यू सो मच. मोहसिन जहीर, उर्दू न्यूज़, न्यूयॉर्क.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.